Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and you all have enjoyed your puja holidays very nicely. So, now welcome back to the online classes again. And in today's classes, we are going to learn chapter 16 about was and where. Okay, how we can use was and where. So you will listen the video very carefully and nicely and try to understand the use of was where. That is in your English grammar chapter 16. Now let's start. See, the words was and where are verb. Okay, first thing you need to remember is that was and where are verbs, and these verbs are used to express an action in the past. So when we are using this was and where, you need to remember that when we express our action in past tense, it means the action that has already completed, that we have done. Okay, that is past. Okay, and in past tense only, we are using was and where. Okay, so you need to remember this. Now we will see example. I was in the mall yesterday evening. Varun was absent due to fever. She was an athlete in her younger days. So here you can see, when we are talking about one person, okay, when we are talking about one person or one thing, the fan is in the hall was dusty. Okay, if you talk about one person, if you talk about one thing, okay, at that time what we are using, and we are expressing the action in past tense, that time only we will use what? Was. Okay, the chair was very small. All this sentence show that the action express an action in the past. Okay, and when we talk about any one person or one place or one animal or one thing, at that time we will use was. Now where? They were not wearing uniform. The books were torn. We were terrified. You were right. Razwan and Razid were friends. See, you can see here we are talking about two persons. That is plural. We are talking about two persons. Okay, two persons, two things. Okay, here groups of friends are there. At that time we will use where to express our past action. So to express our past action, and we are talking about more than one person, more than one animal, more than one thing, so at that time we will use where. Okay, so see here one more example. The children were scared of the boar. Okay, children means more than one, and here we are expressing in past action. Okay, so we are using where. We were at the garment shop. Now we means here it is in plural. Okay, more than one person is there, and we are expressing past action, so we will use where. Okay, so hope you all have understand the use of was and where. This is a small chapter. You just need to just understand that when we express a past action, okay, past action when we are expressing, and when we are talking about one person, at that time, that is singular, we will use was, and we are talking about two persons, more than one person, that is plural, at that time we will use where to express our past action. Hope you all have understand the chapter, and still if you are having doubt, you can message me and clear your doubts. And I will send you exercises. You will write exercises in your book, and I will let you know which one you will write in your copy.